Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to talk about important phrase. As you can see in the screen, we are going to talk about important phrase. Some important phrase. We have 5 important phrase which you can use in the sentence. As you know, phrase is the word that make the sentence more interesting than simple or normal word. Phrase is just a word which make sentence more interesting than normal word. As you see in the number 1, stick to, number 2, call on, 3, look out for, number 4, call off, number 5, get over. This is the 5 phrase we are going to talk about today. Calm down. Here is the first phrase, which is stick to. The meaning of this phrase is continue doing something. If you want to, or if you going to doing something continuously, then you can use stick to. Let's go in the example, you will more understand. If you want to succeed, you have got to stick to it and not give up. Means if you want to succeed is your target, then you have got to stick to it. Means you have to continuously and not give up. You have to continuously chase your target and not give up. And in the second example, if you want to lose your weight, you have to stick to your diet. Means your target is lose your weight. For lose your weight, you have to continuously stick to your diet. Means you have to continuously chase your diet. You have to continuously follow your diet. You have to continuously following your diet. And in the third, you should stick to your target for succeed in life. This is the same as the first one example. You should stick to your target for succeed in life. This is the target. Succeed in life, getting succeed in life is target, and for that target you have to continuously stick or continuously chase for target. And in the second phrase, we have a call on. The meaning of call on phrase is if you call on someone, you pay them a short visit. If you call on someone, you pay them a short visit. Call on means you want to visit them. If you want to visit someone, then you can use call on. Just in number 1, example 1, Sophia was intending to call on Miss Kids. Sophia was intending that Sophia was thinking about visit Miss Kids. This is the number 1. Sophia was intending means she want to visit with Miss Kids. In the second example, one of Australia's leading churchmen has called on the government to resign. We have number 1 person and number 2 person. That the number one person was, or the number 1 person want to visit second one. The government is the second person, and Australia's leading churchman is first third person, first person. That's why the first person want to visit on second person to for a reason resign. In the third phrase, we have look out for. Look out for. The meaning of this phrase is be careful for something. Means look out for means you have to careful for something. You will understand more with example. We have in the number one, you should look out for pickpockets. Means the pickpockets are the who stole from the pocket. You should look out for pickpockets means you have to be careful for pickpockets. You have to be careful for pickpockets. In the number two, look out for spelling mistake in your word. Look out for means be careful for spelling mistake in your work. Be careful for spelling mistake in your work. In the fourth, call off means cancel something. Call off the means you if you want to tell about something like a stop, just to call off trip. That's you want to stop the trip. Then you use to call off trip. You will use call off instead of stop. Number one, to call off trip. And to call off trip. Sorry, I was just calling trip. This is the mean of trip. To call off trip, you want to cancel the trip. Just call off the means the phrase call off means cancel something. And in the second, they have call off their marriage means they cancel their marriage. They cancel their marriage. Number three, the game was call off because of bad pollution. The game was stop or cancel because of bad pollution. If you want to use if you want to use a word like stop in the sentence, instead of stop you can use call off. The sentence looks much interesting. In the last one, get over. The get over phrase means to deal with or gain control of something. Get over means to deal with, you have to tackle it, or something you want to gain control of something. You want to control on something. Number one, she can get over or sinus. Okay, sinus means she can't get over means she can't get control over her sinus. She can't get over her sinus means she is not able gain control in her sinus. In the second one, he was disappointed at not getting the job, but he will get over it means you are confident in it. He was disappointed at not getting the job. This is the thing, but he will get over it means he will cover it means he will deal with it. To deal with or gain control of something means he was disappointed at not getting the job, but he will get over it means he was disappointed at he is not getting the job, but he will deal with it. And just this is the things how how phrase work. You can use this type of this four phrase in any sentence which is related with this type of meaning. Just thank you for watching our video. Thank you.